Alright, my camera ended up dying. Annoying. But whatever. We're back again. Alright, where we were at last time, we are putting Kapton tape on the board so no shorts happen. Just like so. Now it's protected. I'm going to add another piece. Another piece. I'm going to add a new piece. It's all crummy. Basically, we have to get a piece of tape under here. This other part, give me the thing, get off my finger, please. Just drag you, shimmy you over here. Shimmy, shimmy. Now, shimmy too much. Now, does this go up at all? No, it doesn't. Eh. What I'm trying to kind of do is get a piece of tape under there. But I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Because I keep going all over the place. Twisting and turning all around. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that in there. No. Maybe I should have put the tape first. Definitely should have put the tape first. Oh well, you live and you learn. What a silly, silly goose. And it's enameled wire. It shouldn't do it, but I don't want to take any chances. Now let go. Get the... These damn tweezers are cute. Like, when I want them to stick, they stick. When I don't want them to stick, they are freaking unbrickin' breakable to get off. This is just great. Bonkers. I'm bonkers right now. I can't get this under here. Come on. Oh, jeez. Alright, fucking pause this shit right now. You're pissing me off. Okay, what I did is running theme of this, I keep messing up. So, I put some tape on. I desoldered it again. And I put some tape on this time. So now there shouldn't be any shorts. So now all I gotta do is resolder this wire back on. And we should be good. And it's looking good. Alright. Okay. A little bit lower. I don't want to make that too hot now. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's looking good. Just like that. That's how you want it. Just like that. So I think unplug this. I think this should work now, right? Right? Good. Hopefully it works. I'm trying to find a piece of tape. No piece of tape. There's. Alright, so that's very good. Nice little piece of tape. Just gonna put it here. I'm gonna cut this into 2 pieces. Yeah. If I'm able to just get a grip of it, man, everything is just... Come on, man, please. Give me it. Why must you do this to me? Give me it. Oh, you are just a freaking git. Oh my god, this piece of tape is killing me right now. Get off. Off, 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 off. Oh god, just get off. Man, you're a nightmare. Oh god. Now flip it back up, will ya? There you go. I didn't want to put it so close. Man, this is just lovely. This is annoying. Damage. Right there. Come on, man. Right there. You're killing me. Thank you. Damn. Now you go back down. You go back down. Not going down. There you go. Stay down. Jeez, this whole thing is not staying down. I'm using the wrong picks. Ay. Put these away. Alright. Here we are. The final product, pretty much. At the account of putting one more piece of tape on, I'm going to put it, if it would just ever let me grip it. And it's not going to come off, is it? This tape is just doesn't work with you at all. It's just like, yeah, it's just not working. Alright. Alright, let's see if we get a connection from here to there now. We do. So there's a connection from there to there. So now let's check. If we flip this board over, we should be able to get a connection from here to there. And still nothing. Don't tell me I did this for no reason. Don't know why that just turned on. Man. Alright, well, do we get a connection from here to there? Nope. Not looking like it. Nope. Let's just see if it charges, I guess. I'm not expecting it to. Oh! Oh, it's actually staying on. Oh, I was not expecting it to stay on. Oh my... But why would this not get a connection to... I don't know. It's working! Alright. Well, I hope this was a... You know, I hope the camera was good enough. I mean, I'm not very good with cameras. But it's working. As you can see... Alright, I'll try to explain this one more time. But this is great. This is very good. I wish I had another board to show you. I don't. But this is working, actually. So, I'm going to upload this and do what I can with it. Alright, so basically, there are via holes from here to there. There's another video that explains it a lot better, but I was trying to not have to take the card reader off, and it's a success. So the knowledge is yours, people. Enjoy. I'm out of here. Peace.